Good morning, class 8. We have discussed topic coal gas and coal tar also with coke. Now the today's new topic is uses of coal. Coal, everyone know about. Coal is the one of the important fossil fuels that is very useful for human beings. What are the uses of coal? You know about. First of things, electricity is the major part for the human being now. But how the electricity much more consumptions by the human beings and what are the source to make the electricity? That is the one of the source is coal. Coal is used as a domestic fuel. It is also generating electricity in the thermal power. You know about thermal power plant. One of the thermal power plant is situated near about in UP, just before Lucknow. The place name is Uchahar. Uchahar NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, where is productions of the electricity by the help of coal. Coal was used to run the steam engine in the past. In the past, on the time of Edison, Newton, and now the coal is used to the obtain coke and coal gas, which are excellent fuel in option of other fuels. Okay, so these are the uses of coal. Many more uses of coal. We are using coal like cooking. Some of the vendors in the roadside, you have seen that they are cooking teas on the coal and many more uses. Okay, now the next topic, coal productions. How many countries, those are leaders countries, production of coals depend on their total extraction of coal materials, fossil fuels extracted inside the earth from the crust of the earth, and those countries who have much more extracted, they have the much more coal productions. Now the chain list from the 2012 top 10 coal producers are PR China. There is a data given in the right side, 3,549 metric ton. Now on the second number USA, 935, only 935 metric ton. Now India 595 metric ton, Indonesia, Australia, Russia, South Africa, Germany, Poland, Kazakhstan. These are the countries whose are the 12 top 10 coal producers of 2012. Now the recent data are not present in your book, but you can search easily from the Google. Okay, now the how many countries whose are depend on the electricity generation by the coal. Okay, now 41% of the world's electricity totally depend on the coal. You know, the countries like Mongolia, South Africa, Poland. Mongolia, 98% electricity produced by the Mongolia country only with the help of coal. On the coal extractions, coal burning, they can produces 98% of total their electricity. Only near about 8% electricity are produced by the other options, by the other sources, but 98% electricity produces by the coal. Now the South Africa, Poland, China, Australia, India on the 6th position, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 68% electricity are generated by the Indian country with the help of coal fossil fuel. Okay, now the Israel, Indonesia, USA, Germany and UK. UK 29%. Now these are the data that one shows that top producers of coal and the maximum uses of the coal for production of electricity. Now our next topic, that is the petroleum. Petroleum is another fossil fuel that is very important for us. In this topic, we are discussing, we will discuss about formation of petroleum, extraction of petroleum, and refining of petroleum. How, what is the petroleum, and how the petroleum forms inside the soil, inside the earth, and how we extract the petroleum from the earth, and how we refine the petroleum to find out the many more types of fuels by the help of petroleum. Petroleum means not exactly petrol. Please forget that. You have know that. Okay. Now petroleum means petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, coal tars, many more things. That is the combined name is called petroleum. Okay. And petrol is one of the part of petroleum. Don't miss that. Okay. Now we are discussing about petroleum. What is petroleum? The crude oil, fossil fuels found deep inside the earth crust in some areas, that is called petroleum. In India, Gujarat, Assam, these two countries are major producers of the petroleum. And in Maharashtra, Bombay High is another place where petroleum are also extracted. And in Gujarat, a mainly region in Krishna and Godavari region. These are the petroleum find places in India. How the petroleum formed? Now there is a formation of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from the remains of the organisms living in the ocean and sea millions of years ago. When these plants and animals died, they got buried in the sand at the bottom of the sea. Over millions of years ago, they got covered with the more and more sand and went deeper into the earth crust. Under high pressure and temperature, their bodies decomposed to form petroleum and natural gas. We can easily understood to see this figure. There are given three figures: ocean 300 to 400 million years ago, ocean 50 to 100 million years ago, and sedimentary rocks, oil and gas deposit. यानी कि 300-400 million years ago, plant and animal inside the earth crust, they are floating in the water, they are living inside the crust, and after 50 and 100 million years ago they have died and converted into sedimentary parts of the rocks, and those sedimentary parts and rocks inside the plants and animals remains converted into the oil and gas deposit. In the third video we have seen that sedimentary rocks, on the behind of sedimentary rocks, yeah, inside of the sedimentary rocks there are the deposition of the oil and gas. That one deposition of the oil and gas is due to the plants and animal remains, and those plants and animal from the 300-400 millions year ago they have died and they are buried inside the, they are dumped inside the sedimentary rocks in the crust of the earth. So this is the how petroleum are finding inside the earth. Okay. Now this was the formation of the petroleum. Now the extraction of petroleum. How we extract the petroleum? How we can extract the petroleum? Petroleum and natural gases are found between the layers of the impervious rocks. Impervious rocks means rocks which have the capacity to suck the water, which have the capacity to suck the other oil materials. Deep in the earth, natural gas is always found above the petroleum. This is the quality, this is the finding numbers, that is the upper level is fulfill of the natural gas and inside level is fulfill of the petroleum. Examples we have: when we are boiling the water, we have seen that the gas materials or evaporative materials are finding upper layer of the water, and the down layer, yeah, downside of the vapor, we have seen that there are a boiling of water. Like that, natural gas always found upper side of the deposition of the petroleum. Now, petroleum and natural gas are extracted by the drilling holes in the earth crust, and those holes are very deep inside the earth and makes oil well, and those oil well are yield both natural gas and petroleum. However, some wells given only natural gas, but some wells are given only petroleum, but some wells are given both petroleum and natural gas. Now we have discussed about this figure. Now the refining of petroleum, we have discussed that formation of petroleum, extraction of petroleum, refining of petroleum. Now this is the refining of petroleum. How the petroleum find out inside the earth? Raw petroleum is a thick oily liquid of dark color. It has an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of many substances like petroleum, its substances, to a process called fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is a process through which we have find out the petrol from the earth. To separate these substances, this process is carried out in oil refineries. Some important constituents of petroleum are as follows. This one we have discussed in the next video. We are discussing in the next video. Okay.